Chapter 1. Retirement Planning Beyond the Financials. Retirement is one of life's significant transitions. Virtually everything changes. During your career, you merely need to show up each day to be exposed to many of the things that make up a fulfilling life. Your work gives you a sense of purpose. You are nurtured by the relationships you have with colleagues. You're energized by the self-esteem you achieve because you're good at what you do and others recognize it. You attain a level of financial security from a regular paycheck. You're comforted by the predictable structure of your days, weeks, and years. You are intellectually stimulated by ever-changing circumstances. One day, all of that is yours. Then, because of a decision by your boss or the organization, or by personal choice, you retire. The day after your retirement party, all that your career provided is gone. You must find your life's meaning and basis of self-esteem elsewhere. You realize few collegial relationships are really lasting friendships. The security of a regular paycheck must come from other sources. You need to find a way to rebuild a daily, weekly, and yearly structure and to replace the intellectual stimulation that so readily came from your work. Despite being excited about your new phase of life, if you're like most others, you also approach retirement with a healthy dose of anxiety. You may be unaware of the challenges you may face, and you may not be prepared to identify and take advantage of the opportunities that will come your way. Unless you replace what your career provided, understand and address the challenges, and recognize the opportunities, you and those close to you may not live the retirement you've worked so hard to deserve. Fewer than half of retirees enjoy their first year. Many experience symptoms of depression. The segment of society with the fastest-growing divorce rate is couples over 55, reflecting the difficulty of having to live together in new life circumstances. It is not the intent of sharing all of this to suggest that your retirement will be a disaster. In fact, your retirement can be, and should be, fulfilling, satisfying, and successful. Rather, the intent of making you aware of what you could be facing is to begin a conversation about what you can be doing, starting now, to make your retirement what you want it to be.